Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my 1998 Honda Civic. And that right there is my boyfriend. Okay, it's my 1998 Honda Civic. Turboed, blah blah blah. Today we're gonna do a rear disc conversion on this bad boy. I don't know if you guys noticed, but this is drums in the back. But yeah, we're gonna do the rear disc conversion. It has camber arms, the calipers, the rotors. Don't worry about those spacers, those are not coming on my car. And we're gonna do steel braided lines for the back as well. All right, so this rear disc conversion came out of a Del Sol. It came out of a SI, right? Del Sol? Yeah. Came out of SI Del Sol. You can also use the EGSI, the EM1, and the Integras. But my cousin sold me these for cheap. He got it from his Del Sol, his SI one. He gave it to me for like 60 bucks, so I took them. So what he's gonna do, he's gonna take off the drums. He's gonna slap these bad boys on. Oh, and you also need what the heck is it? You need the e-brake cables too. Oh, these even it? Yeah, these are it. You need the e-brake cables too from whatever car you're taking them from off. So, just letting you know. Step one, fellas, is take off the e-brake like this guy's doing right here. Anyways, what he's doing is taking off the screws from each little panel from the e-brake over there, so you can take it off.
Where did it go?
Come on, guy. You're fucking handsome, bro. Anyone ever tell you that?
If you're gonna call me handsome, you better hand some of that dick over. Time for a new one, bud.
There you go. He took it off. Now he's gonna take off those cables right there in the back. The e-brake cables.
Junk this, right?
He's gonna take off these e-brake cables and slap the other ones through the same holes.
I have to fucking
from the Del Sol ones. Don't rip my carpet.
Fuck your carpet right
now. That's JDM, bro.
Oh, JDM garbage.
So he's trying to look for the e-brake cable down through there without ripping the carpet. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Look at him, look at him.
Unzip, unzip. Let me lick your dick, lick your dick.
I'll record whenever he figures this out. And I'll show you when he puts in the other e-brake cables from the Del Sol. Oh, I thought the leather. See you poking that shit. Bracket removed. E-brake cables. I should supposed to say it after. E-brake cables
have left the building.
That's right.
We're just gonna finish taking them out from the bottom, and that's it.
There you go. You heard him. He unplugged them from the top. Now we gotta go down here and yank them from down there. So we'll see. Hey, you better stop. Anyways, this guy is cooking up some bull over here, and I have to go home to go pick up, what is it called? It's not a camber arm.
Yeah, it is.
Isn't it the fucking toe? The toe arm?
The toe arm.
The toe arm. I have to go pick up the new toe arms that I left over there. So, so by the time I come back, this is probably gonna be already all taken off. So, sorry. I'll be back. Came back with the toe arms. True Heart. Had these for about a year. I think a little bit more than a year, right, Kevin? Bad boys. There you go. New. True Heart, baby. Damn, you already took out one? There you go. He took out one of the drums. What is it? The trailing arms with the drums. He's working on taking out this one. Focus, bro. Focus on this one, and yeah.
that side over there.
What, this one? What you mean? This one came out together too, nah?
You see that thing still hanging?
Oh, that. What the hell is that?
That's the toe arm shit.
So that's just frozen there?
Yeah, I have to cut it off.
Well, guys, we have a little bit of a complication here, so I'll let you know what happens after he figures this out. Just to keep you guys updated. Point at it real quick. Right in there. Damn, bitch, I can't see with your fat fingers. Right in there, that hole, if you can see it, that hole right in there is supposed to be a nut, so the screw could go in there and I guess stay in there. Like this one, let me see. Probably like that, something in there. Can you see it? Yeah, there's like a nut in there. Yeah, right here. Something that has thread, so the screw could go in there. The other side is missing it. I guess it broke off, so I don't know what he's gonna do. So I'll keep you updated to see what he's gonna do. Alright, guys, so we're gonna install this tow arm. He already installed the one on the right side, which is the passenger side. So let's see if I mess this up or not. So there's the screw that goes through, right?
No.
There's no screw.
So
This one?
with the long, no, with the big one, that one.
Alright. Don't matter what side it goes, right? The thing?
Nah.
I don't have to loosen it, just leave it like that. Alright. Driver side tow arm installed.
By yours truly.
By the best out here. What you expect? So now he's finding a way to take out the brake, the e-brake lines. He's thinking about just cutting them, which I don't really care because we got the other ones right here. Bitch, you got a slider. Like slide your ass over there. And he still doesn't slide. That tigre loco. Tú sí eres ahí, revés. Cut it up, cut it up. Make sure it don't come to me. Oh, it's definitely gonna come to me now. Yeah, scumbag, you know, hey, let it drop on me too like that. I could have rolled it out, bro. Give me. I know. Ooh, fuck. Don't say I know you're kind of weak, but without. Oh, fuck. There you go. Two gone. The new ones need to get installed now. So now what, boss man? Damn, I can't see, bro. You're black as hell. Oh, you heard him. He said he's gonna shove those inside the car now. He's just gonna snake them in there, so there's no point in recording this. I'll record again when he's done doing that. You need help carrying it? Lifting it up, I mean?
Yes, sir.
Let's see what this guy's doing right here. I could kick it, but just tell me, bro. Book on hammer that shit.
Hammer's over there.
Bang that. Still need a lot. Yo, oh. You dirty fuck. This motherfucker.
How much dirty, loco? ¿Cómo no se caga?
Not me.
Know what it is?
The whole thing's about to fall. Watch out.
Oh, this?
Yeah. Didn't I just tell you? there you go, guys. One side done. We got one more to go. And the braided lines over here. But anyways, this side is done. We're gonna do the other side. And like I said, then the braided lines. Yes. All right, fellas. This side is done. And so is, hold up, that side. But we can't finish it because it's missing a little, not a bracket, I'm not explaining it. It's like a little bracket, the little clip that goes in here.
That holds the e-brake.
That holds the e-brake cables, lines, whatever the hell it is. So we can't finish it right now. I'm gonna record it again, obviously, when we do get the piece. So, well, the clips. After we get it, I'll record again. So for now, I'm gonna stop recording. It's the next day. My friend ended up just doing it himself. He got the little clips, the clamps, whatever we was looking for. He got it from the old drums. Supposedly you could use the little rubber pieces. So that's what he did. Let me show you over here with the light how it looks. No more drums, my boys. Look at that. Woo! Wait, can you even see it? Hold up. Hell yeah. Bro, come on, lighten up. Look at it right there. Hell yeah. So all we gotta do is put the interior back, like that right there. And that right here. So I'm gonna start doing that. After that, I'm gonna bring it out and we're gonna get an alignment the next day. I'll bring a camera so you can see him do the alignment maybe. If not, then whatever. I put the brightness so you can see. Hold up, let me see. Hey, put it down. There you go. There's the rotors. Yes, they're a little rusty, but once I drive it around, that'll get knocked away. So, ow. So. What you doing over there? Anyways, I'm gonna go put this little, whatever this piece is for the e-brake. Oh shit, mac and cheese. And I'm gonna do this. He was talking about something about some rubber pieces, Francis, that we were supposed to put back. What? He said something about some rubber pieces that we have to put back. I don't know what rubber pieces he's talking about. Let's see. What rubber pieces is he talking about? What rubber pieces is this dude talking about? Bro, I haven't sat back here ever. He said pull back the rug. How? What are you guys smoking? Hold up. I guess this is the rubber pieces he was talking about. Let me see. Hold up. If I can show you guys. The rubber pieces right there. I guess he said to put them in here in place so water won't get in it. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, fellas. So I've been trying to do this. And hold up. Can you even see this shit? Hold on. Let me put this brightness down. So I've been trying to do this grommet stuff, and we're gonna have to lift up the car because I just keep on yanking and it's ripping the grommet. So I'm away from my boy and we're gonna lift it up and handle that. It's good? There you go, boys, it's finished. Alright guys, the rear disc conversion is basically done. Well, not basically done, it is done. Here they are. Can you even see it? Yeah, you could, right there, beautiful. I already got the car aligned. I did an alignment on it. Well, got an alignment done. It drives beautiful. Let me take a little look at this. Sheesh. I mean, the car was never ugly in the beginning, you feel me? But anyways, the alignment is done. It drives beautiful. We got the freaking tow arms installed, all of that jazz. So basically this car is good enough to get dynoed now, alright? All I need to do is put the injectors. After the injectors, we're gonna put the fuel pump and put all the interior together. So yeah, if you guys want to do the rear disc conversion, you can get it from an EG, EM1, Del Sol SI, and I think that's about it. They're just plug and play, like my friend said, plug and play. You need the e-brake cables, both of them, and the rear disc conversion, and that's about it. And you should be good. So, look at that beautiful car. Look at that. Hey, let's do a little walk around real quick. Woo. Don't worry, guys. It looks better in the video than it does in real life. Look at that bad boy. Yeah. Damn, boy. Got a lot of things coming for this. I'm gonna lower it more because look at that gap. I got tire litters I'm gonna put on too. All that jazz. Look at that. Yeesh. But I'm gonna finish the video inside the car, so yeah. So yeah, like I said, this camera's about to die. I was thinking about doing a giveaway. I don't know if you guys want to enter to win it, but it's the BR. It has a little bit of overspray, but I'll clean all that off. The BR, the thing that makes your car backfire, is also a rev limiter. I don't know if you guys want me to do a giveaway with this because I don't use it no more. But let me know in the comments below if you guys want to do if you want me to do a giveaway with this. If not, then I'll just give it to somebody that I know. But yeah, everything is done. I got a whole bunch of more videos coming soon. Like I said, got a dyno, injectors, fuel pump, and other stuff that I want to do, like the fender cutouts, the bumper with the front lip or something. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, like, comment, subscribe. I'll be uploading, well, trying to upload every week. But if I don't, whatever. But I'm gonna do my best to upload every week. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Run this shit, I'm rapping on, yeah, even on a snow day. Where I'm from, the block get high, yeah, even on a snow day. King of the hill, I'm so hang, so you know I got that propane.